Hey guys, a cool company to check out. Lightning Exteriors. Lightning Exteriors is out of Nebraska, New Brunswell, Texas, Minnesota, and I think they're expanding even more. But Sean and his wife, amazing people, run a great business. They've been voted, obviously, Omaha's Choice winner. You can see here some of their credentials. You can see here some testimonials. You can see what they're doing on their webpage. By the way, this page is designed inside of BUMS.AI. Here's your company cam integrated, so you can see that in there. Now, I also want to point out, I don't get a chance to look at all the work my team does, but with having so many people working for us, I try to stay in tune with everything, but it's hard. So one of the things that I'm going to benefit from here as we apply the Mozi method to Lightning Exteriors is I'm also going to do a audit on some of the existing work that we've done. So for example, we of course host our website, we built it. We got our calls to action in here for the get the instant quote, all that fun stuff using Roofar, integrate their site. I'll share that with you. You can take a look at some of their landing pages that they have. You'll be able to see more information that they put out there as far as different landing pages in different areas. We run Google ads for them. Again, things that I think a lot of you aren't aware that our team does, but we're able to do it. But a lot of this is managed inside of BUMS.AI. I'm going to show you their social media. Here you can see their social media. You can see that it's been branded. You can see it's very professional. You can see it's consistent. Colors, logos, call to actions, photo quality, format. There's a lot of things, fonts. There's a lot that goes into it. You can see here on their page over at Facebook, again, consistent, what have you. But we're going to start looking at things like, hey, we need more reviews on this page, right? Now we have reviews on Google, but how do we build that? These are going to be things that we're going to conquer. So Lightning is going to be our guinea pig, for lack of a better term. And Sean's been great and his wife's been great, saying, hey, look, you guys can go ahead and have a little free reign here. Obviously, he wants to make sure that his brand is kept positive and good, but he has trust to allow us to go ahead and apply some Mozi method and some other things. So you're going to see a lot of this company, and I wanted to share. So if you guys are looking for work in these markets, if you're looking to have a career change, again, I'm not trying to steal anybody from anybody, but it's a very good company if you guys are looking to find a good, reputable company to work with. Now, going on, I showed you their social media, so let's just go through some quick tools real fast. I'm going to show you their social media here. So let's go here. Let's go with our marketing side, right? Then I go to our social planner, and here you can see we have 11 channels connected. You can see the number of posts they made, but look what's cool. Every single post that they've done is right here. If I go to their planner, I'm going to see that we've planned them out. All their posting is planned out. This is something you could do inside of BUMS.AI, and you're able to go ahead and set it up. Where these posts made? Very simple. We go into Canva. We have a team that goes into Canva, designs them, sets them up, puts them up. Videos, we have our own videographer, so he does that kind of stuff. But you can see we've kept the message consistent, and Sean's wanted to prove that he can build the business bigger, better than a lot of companies, and he's doing a great job of it. His salesmen are happy. The revenues are good. Very well, lean, mean running machine, right? And one of the pieces that we utilize for it is the BUMS portal. Now, I want to show you the online here and what's going to happen. Of course, we're hosting a website, like I told you. There's some other things that we do. We also have I'm going to go over here. That was a recruiting page, by the way. But I'm going to go to the landing pages, and we're going to look at this landing page right here. And this is a landing page that we're going to modify. Our goal with this page, my goal with this page, is to turn this into the first lead magnet. I want to build a lead magnet that's going to attract people to go ahead and do what? They're going to go in, and they're going to get an assessment of their property report. Now, this is a preliminary attempt by one of my team. I think they did a great job. Let me know what you think below. However, I'm going to spend some time kind of rethinking this a little bit and see how I want this message out there. But this is the message that we're going to try to do. We're going to try to say, hey, get that damage assessment on your home, on your property. Know if you even need to worry with all these roofers knocking, all these people coming to you. Like, let's go ahead and get that info first before we even talk about anything. Let me give you a free service. Let me just tell you that if it's something you should worry about or not, right? Like those virus scan tools, you scan to see if you have a virus, then it makes that offer and says, hey, you have a virus for $19 a month. We're going to go ahead and fix that for you and give you XYZ extra, right? Same concept that we're going to be doing. Now, that said, I want to show you that I'm going to be working through that. We have our thank you page, our terms and conditions, our policy, privacy policy, all that in there. Let's see what he came up with. The thank you. I have not seen this. My team did this. I have not looked at this until right now. Your personalized report is on the way. Here's your two options. You can get an instant quote, or set up your inspection. Exactly what I wanted. We'll make it a little prettier, but I think you did a great job. The idea being, hey, you want to get an instant quote? That's the next step. No haggle. Or do you want to go ahead and set up an inspection and let's get moving? How serious are you? How ready are you? But I want to keep nurturing this person all the way down, right? So we're working through that, and we'll obviously clean this up as we go. I believe he's had less than 3 hours of time to put this together for me yesterday because I told him about it around lunch. So good job, Alfredo. Great guy, by the way. If you work with our team, you'll find some great things that he puts together. Just to give you a little highlight, he put together this page. This is in BUMS.AI. Pretty cool page. He's put together this page. I should say site. So there's pages and sites, but he's put this together. Here we have the Roofle integration put in, and we've got a ton of automations built with that. So he's done quite a bit of work. I would tell you, check it out and see what he's doing there. So what we're going to do, the next step. Number one, I told you about the company, great company. Sean, great person. Wife, great person. Trees, awesome people. What we're going to do is build the site out, and we're going to create the pipeline that we talked about, the Mozi Pipeline. I believe I've already done it. Yep, here's your Mozi Pipeline. And we're going to take everything and stitch it together here and show you how to do it with a real company in order to see their stats. Now, I've asked Sean for permission. For those of you wondering, I've asked him that I'm going to try to keep everything I can private, but also share certain things. Here, he can manage his reviews. Let's see how his reviews are going. He can get an idea of what he's doing, and he can request reviews from customers. In his reports, I want to show you real quick. We're running some Google ads for him. And if I go into a particular ad, I'm not sure the date range here. I know the team runs these, so let me change this date range. Let's go back to, I don't know, let's go from here to here, huh? Checkbox, did I? So there you go. There's my checkbox. So there we're looking at some stats. Now this is super powerful. Now we're doing some experiments here too, so I'm not going to focus on the stats right now. We're going to be getting into that. We're always looking to improve, but we're going to always share more and more to you and show you how to build stuff. So again, Lightning Exteriors, check it out. I'm going to share that page when it's ready, and follow along as we build this out using BUMS.AI as much as possible. And I'm going to show you all the integrations that come in. But today I have a meeting with Hilltrace, working with them to figure out this exact model with them, because I've built it up in beta, but to scale it, I need a little bit of help from them. Great company, by the way, if you haven't checked out Hilltrace, amazing company. I've known Derek and his wife for a very long time. Good people. We've been in this industry longer than I can remember at this point. And Hilltrace, great report. I know sometimes their tools are always changing. He's thinking ahead. He's trying to build more. That's been one of the complaints I've heard. But also on the other side, I'm going to tell you that if he didn't do that, there would be no advancement. Sometimes you have to plan something, take that step forward, and sometimes make little adjustments, right? We're going to show you how to do that with BUMS and how it's so super instant. So we're going to be getting into that, and I wanted to share with you. So we'll be starting at tools and online, guys, and we're going to be working on our landing page. Again, we are thinking we're going to create a module that you guys can load. But meanwhile, if you want to play along, BUMS.AI, $297 a month. You get all the features of high level and our BUMS layers, and you're able to take this kind of training and apply it to your business without any trouble. Because I can tell you that some of the things we build do not work in high level. Some of them are custom. And if you want to support us, like us, give us that love, please go ahead and utilize BUMS.AI. Subscribe, like, follow the channel, etc. I don't know where this will be posted, but kind of do all those things. All right, guys. So look forward to it, and I will share more. Sorry to take up so much time of yours, but I definitely do appreciate you, and we will get moving in the next video. Thanks.